Welcome back to another Natural Stones episode. My name's Ben. I run Natural Stones along with my girlfriend Rebecca. Today on the list is a luxury soap dish. The first thing that you need to make this bar of soap holder is a bar of soap, so we will open it. The idea is to have a black and white rock, symbol of luxury, right? To basically hold it kind of like a cup, like this, and have holes in the bottom, and then shaped nicely, first with the saw and then tumbled to get that rounded look. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna take the soap and we're gonna put it on top of the rock. So we need to cut this part so the soap will fit right there. Okay, I call that a success. I'm gonna make this the bottom. And now I just gotta make another pass. So it'll be about the height of my luxury soap dish. All right, here it is. It's gonna be that tall. The soap's gonna sit in there. The next step is to get the shape. Okay, so now the plan is to take this and to taper it on the sides, like here and here, at a 15-degree angle around the center. Right, so it's gonna go down and in on each side all the way around, and I'm gonna try to do that with the tile saw here. Maybe 20, let's do 20. 20. There it is, I'll go get suited up. Oh yeah. And what I'm gonna do is instead of doing it this way, I'm gonna flip it upside down so it's a 15-degree angle up and in to the bottom. The bottom's supposed to be the small area. Just like that. I made an executive decision. I'm gonna do 30 degrees. This is what I got so far. It's pretty close to a soap dish. It's got the nice taper here on this side, the taper on the other side. This part's not perfect, but I think the tumbler will round that out nicely. It's not perfectly level, that's okay. It's a soap dish. It'll hold soap. Okay, there is one more thing that this guy needs. It needs drainage holes. I realized doing that Dremel would take forever. So I have these silicone carbide grit sanding belts and a belt sander, which is a lot cheaper than a lapidary machine. So I'm gonna take those and I'm gonna see if I can sand them down real quick. I'll probably go through the whole belt on this, but hopefully I can smooth it enough and do it a bit quicker. Yeah. Okay, party people, there it is. It looks pretty good. This is not the final product. This is just a rough cut. We still have some tumbling to do. But the basic shape is done. The edges are all smoothed off, looking pretty, feels nice and smooth. I really like how that line just like runs right through it. It looks like it should break in half any second, but it's sturdy. It's not moving. We'll put that in the tumbler. Got the ceramic in there, like always. The many surfaces will all just bang up against this, all with the grit and stuff. And we're just gonna shove this guy in there. He'll fit. I know he's gonna fit. There it is. It went. We're good.